Hello everyone, welcome to SE.With vlogs. This is me Avik here again. First of all, thank you so much for your like, subscribe, share. This is all love you are spreading towards me. Thank you for that. So now I'm going to tell you, I have a short video for you, short vlog. Actually it's not a vlog, I just came from travel vlog and now I'm going to do an unboxing of a gadget. So before I didn't tell you, but yes, I'm a very big gadget freak and an Apple enthusiast. So I was looking for Apple Watch Series 6, which just came this Friday in September 2020, but I didn't get a hold of any. So I just got hold of Apple Watch SE. Almost everything was sold out, but I just got one color, that is gold with a green band. I'm going to show you that. Actually, unboxing was one of my genre I wanted to try. I wanted to see how people like my video, how my reviews goes, how my unboxing goes. So I'll be with you with my Apple Watch SE. Just be with me. The box is colorful, looks good. So I just got the golden color in aluminum. I wanted to get Melanie's loop, but it was out of stock. Everything was actually out of stock. You can find a few only. But if you want to order and deliver it to your home, it will take 2 weeks as per Apple website. So I don't think Apple Watch SE comes with strap. It has to, like, the price is included in the full price of Apple Watch, but they make it a different box for their straps. That's how I got it. One long strap. This is medium to large, and they have small to medium as well. So we have instructions over here how to attach the band with the watch, but I know that already, so I'll just go ahead and do that. So I just turned on the Apple Watch. I just attached the band with it. Looks beautiful. I like the color of the belt. It's cypress green, that's what they call, and I always like the gold aluminum. Now I'm just going to pair with my Apple iPhone. So I just paired my Apple Watch SE with my iPhone. So it's pretty much the same look as Series 5, the last year's 2019's Apple Watch, but this is much more lower in price because it has some things missing that is not similar to Apple Watch Series 5 or Series 6. One of them is oxygen tracking, another thing is ECG. Both the things are available in Series 6 but not in Apple Watch SE, and there is no always in display time showing. Other than that, everything is same. The material looks same if you're buying the aluminum one. The brightness looks same, but Apple Watch Series 6 have 25% much brightness than Apple Watch Series 5. I hope it has the same thing. How we use it, I'll see. But I like it. I like the color options they just brought. I like the finishing of the product. So that was it with my unboxing video and review of Apple Watch SE. I just jumped from travel vlog to unboxing video. I'll go back to travel vlog. I hope you like my video. I hope it will be in use for you as well. And see you in my next vlog. Keep watching me. Subscribe, like and share if you like my video, obviously. Let's see you in my another video.